Alright, so today we are in somewhere in England on the countryside. I'm here with my good friend Liam Doran and also my teammate. It's gonna be an awesome day. And this is a very special episode because nobody else has seen what we're gonna see today.
No, I don't think so, to be honest. Not really in its form that's in now, no.
I was here last time in 2013 when I raced with Liam.
My name is Andreas Bakkerud.
I'm Liam Doran. This is Rallycross RX.
At that time, I was impressed by your workshop. And this behind us here is his workshop. It looks like a farm.
Farm building. The cows live in there. In the winter, the cows live inside, and also the race cars.
Let's check it out.
So, the farm door, and you push on the secret area on the door. Everyone in, load them up. Load them up. Right, let's start with Rallycross.
Yeah.
Here we have what is actually was my car, and my dad bought it from Kenneth Hansen Motorsport. So this is my car, my 2012 Kenneth Hansen Citroen C4. I think I won races, did I win races? No, actually, this is the car I won X Games with.
Oh.
In 2011.
So that car there, yeah? Gold X Games 2011?
Easy. Oh, I'm happy to be from England.
So that's the car. Very much rebuilt since then, as I do with everything I do with cars. I change everything. It doesn't look anything like it did when Kenneth had it, but it's actually still a really good car. It's old and my...
And Pat races this year.
In the British Championship. Yeah, we changed it to everything. The structure, the chassis is the same design.
Yeah.
We just modernised it a lot, but it's a very good car. A very good, fast, reliable car. The engine is still that way.
Yeah.
Like old school rallycross cars. So this has a lot of sentimental value, let's say. This is probably the most important car I ever had because it was the start of my career. So.
And this is the work list for the boys. That looks like my notebook.
of things you can do to improve your driving.
Yeah.
Second car is this car, which is actually my team's newest car. It's the car that I built brand new for ARX in Silverstone last year. And it's done one race, and it was on the podium in its race against Scott Speed and Tanner Faust and the Volkswagens.
Sided, 5 corners on, Doran's out the dirt, Speed will take the pace, but he's late on the brakes. Wow, what a lap, Doran's got back up the inside again! So Liam Doran up the inside, this is incredible!
It's a very good car, it's like my latest evolution of DS3.
When you say your latest, like this is all your ideas,
my
thoughts, masterpiece put in together, yeah.
This is my engineering masterpiece, and it is, to be fair, it's a good car.
Yeah. So if you guys remember 2013, we were racing not exact same, but...
It's just rebuilt completely from scratch, but...
And I do think Liam have made, or LD Motorsport have made 4 of these?
Yeah, three, but now this is technically 4 because we started again, so this is 4. The last and probably the most important car in Rallycross.
Every car is important.
Every car is important, but you know, for people to see, this is my dad's original RS200 from when he raced way back in the 90s. 1987, I think this car is from 1987.
Did he win any races in the European Championship?
Yeah, he won the French round of the European Championship in 1991. It was the original car that he raced. Again, modernised quite a lot to make it still good, reliable.
I'm going to show you a clip from Rosie when Liam raced it at British Rallycross a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah. It's original still, so it's original design, completely original design, original as it used to be when he raced it.
Yeah.
Just a lot more modern, new stuff, but the design is exactly the same. And let me tell you now, it's the fastest car in the world. This will still beat World Rallycross cars.
Oh yeah?
It is fantastic.
Alright, we're coming to the last one here.
Yeah, the last one up here, this is
special one.
Yeah, this is really special. This is what everybody knows, really is the Pikes Peak RS200. And yeah, so this is really special car.
Like so much carbon fiber everywhere.
Completely original car, but completely changed everything. So. The chassis is still original, the tub. Everything's changed, the geometry, the design, everything. It still has an original engine and gearbox.
Why come you guys have so many RS200s? Is that your dream car? Like
my dad's, I think.
Yeah.
It was my dad's car, his main success. This was actually built by the same people that built his car back in the day. So it was like this, they called them, he used to call them sister cars, but it was never his car. It was always a car he dreamt of having, but it was worth much more than his car. When he had the opportunity later on in his life, he bought it from the person who originally built it, and he put the sisters together.
So what's this one called? Oh yeah?
It's Rosie and Roscoe.
Roscoe?
Roscoe.
Nice.
Rosie and Roscoe. This one's more manly.
Yeah.
Rosie's not girly by any means. But this thing with 950 horsepower.
You tell me you don't often get frightened, but when you drive Rosie, flat out.
Yeah, but then when you drive this, you need to change your pants every time. To go to my toy sort of list, this one down here is a 2014, I think, Nissan R35 GTR, which isn't the usual car people have in their toy shed. But this is a project I have been doing for a while, but this year has gone on hold because I'm racing full time again, but I didn't expect to be. So this project is going to be a completely race spec road car. Yeah. So I'm going to build this for a street car, but in full race spec. So yeah, you can see it's got a full roll cage, proper roll cage, not like a bolt-in one. And it will be full 1,000 horsepower, four-wheel drive race car, but then I'm going to drive it to work.
And with all the glamorous cars, you have a Rotax Max. It's Alex, right?
Everyone's got to keep sharp. This is my little training vehicle. I drive it around the yard on a weekend. No, this is, Alex. One of the, let's say, guests of Bakkerud life. You often see him.
He's the biggest star this year. I mean, like, Alex is the man.
We're moving out of here into the other workshop, come out the back door.
And you don't have like forbidden to take any pictures, stuff like that, no.
Not really.
You show everything to Bakkerud life. Me like.
So this is a new workshop I built. So it's not completely finished yet, but it's looking good.
Oh my god. This.
At the moment it's not finished yet, but you can see the idea of the workshop. So this is going to be the engineering shop where we'll have all the lathes and mills and the welding. So yeah, so this is a completely empty workshop at the moment, but it will have all the machines and welding equipment and stuff. That's this side, and I built it in two sections, so then you look through here, through a glass window, so it feels like you're in a science lab. And this is what I'm going to have as the car build bay, so this is where we'll fabricate the chassis, because we build everything in-house, chassis right from the chassis up, everything. So here we have the 003 DS3.
So this was built, the chassis after the one I was driving?
This is the one I drove with Petter Solberg.
Yeah.
This is the car I drove with Petter Solberg in 2015. The same treatment that the other DS3 had, the brand new one I built. Yeah. So they're both exactly the same, sister cars.
Are we gonna have a race one day in the DS3?
Yeah, I think
like a retro race.
I think we should.
With all the liveries.
Yeah. Definitely gonna beat you.
It is.
And this actually is something I like quite a lot. That's something I've always been meaning to do. I have a lot of friends who do it, is drifting.
Yeah.
I have a lot of friends that do drifting. And I always have to watch.
Yeah.
And even help some guys with their cars.
Because I know you love engineering, you want to help everyone. So this is your little project, side project.
Another like a toy project almost, but something that I will take quite seriously when it's finished.
Yeah.
This is a Nissan S15, cut apart. Yeah. Absolutely cut apart. Obviously full roll cage. We built everything here. GTR and this 15 are getting the same specification as the World Rallycross cars, so it will be a good spec car. Using a lot of parts from my Rallycross car, so it's going to be like we're going to call it the S15 RX. It's going to be for drifting.
By the sound of it, it's not going to be a cheap drift car. that's for sure.
That will be cool. The plan for that is this will have a unrestricted Rallycross engine, 4-cylinder unrestricted Rallycross engine, 850, 900 horsepower, and hopefully we'll weigh 1,000 kilos all in done. So yeah, we might get that built for Gymkhana 2021.
2021.
So yeah, so that's pretty much all of the cars. There's lots of other old stuff laying around. Yeah. But I'm only showing you the new stuff.
Hey, what we got here?
This is my top secret storage facility.
Oh, you have some toys. Chassis?
Spare chassis. Obviously, we have like built four DS3s.
Four, yeah.
An old, quite rare Jaguar in the corner. Jaguar
nice.
XJC. It's a restoration project that will happen at some point. This is all the DS3s over the years that we have stripped to make race cars. This is the road car parts. 5 engines. But that Mini there is the autograss car. It's got 2 Yamaha R1 engines in the back. 300 horsepower.
And you never go race with it?
No, it's there. 300 horsepower and like 400 kilos or something.
That's ridiculous.
That's an original Mark II Mini. It was my very first car I bought when I was 14 from a paper round. 14 years old. I bought that car.
When are you going to restore it?
One day.
One day.
But the value of that car is going up all the time, you know. It's completely perfect, pristine, reconditioned chassis. I did everything, but I never built the car. So the chassis will always stay there, and it will earn value all the time. So it's always going to be my first car.
Yeah.
It will always be that. So I'm never going to sell it. And then this is just a S15 that I imported from Japan as a donor drift car for a drift car project. So I have this S15 complete car, which is spec S, and then I have a donor, another S15 in the workshop, which is a fully prepared chassis ready to build for drifting. So yeah, I mean, there's lots of other stuff we see, but for right now.
Guys, make sure to head over to Liam Doran's Instagram profile. We'll link it in the description. Give him some love. Until next time, flat out.
Thanks.